Hello everyone. Okay, so question time. How can I take a flat piece of paper, well actually 6 of them, and turn it into a 3-dimensional cube without using any glue or sellotape? Well, this video is going to show you how. So I've got my flat piece of paper and I'm going to do some folds. Now when you're doing your folding, you want your folds to be as precise as you can. And you want your edges to be as sharp as you can. Now if you've got nails, perfect. But if you haven't, maybe use a ruler. So I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to make a nice sharp crease. Okay, and I'm going to do it again. And same again on that side. Okay. And you should have something like this. Now I'm going to fold it up now. And again, you want it to be as precise as you can. If you can be really precise with your folding, it makes your shape a lot better in the end. Now then, we're going to make a couple of triangles. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this left-hand side and we're going to fold this corner up just so that it meets the crease. And you see how we've made a little triangle there? But when we fold it back, it disappears. So the triangle's on the inside. So turn your piece of paper around and do exactly that again. So fold it up so that the triangle is on the inside. Now, on this corner, I'm going to do another triangle, but I'm going to fold it so that the triangle's on the outside. Now, these folds that we're doing at the moment are going to come in so handy when we're tucking in the edges to make our cube. So we need to make sure that we get them as precise as we can. Okay, good. Now then, turn it on its side, and this corner here is going to go to the center crease. Okay, try and line it up as best you can, and then a nice sharp crease all the way along. Same again on this side. Okay, and a nice sharp crease. Anybody know what that shape is? That's right, it's a parallelogram, because we've got a pair of parallel sides here and another pair of parallel sides here. Okay, we're nearly done. I'm going to just lift this one up, tuck my triangle down, and then close it. Now when I do the same on this side, I can't lift this one up, so I'm just going to have to tuck it under. Okay, until it fits perfectly. And you've got that parallelogram shape again, but this time we've got this little pattern. We've got 2 more folds to do. So we take it all the way up. Doesn't want to bend. Your paper gets quite thick, so it can get quite hard to do the folding. And that's why getting those creases as sharp as possible is so important. I'm going to use the ruler on this one, I think. Okay. And that is exactly what we need. But we need 6 of them. Okay. Now you can rewind and watch through my folding again to make sure that you're happy with everything that you've done. But here are some that I folded earlier. And you'll notice that I've used 3 different colours, 2 of each. Okay, because there's 6 faces on a cube. So these are my 6 faces here. So now I've got my 6 pieces all ready to go. It's worth checking to make sure that you've got them all the right way round. So when you put them all together, one on top of each other, they should fit perfectly. Okay, and you know that you've definitely folded it the right way round. So I've got 2 red ones, 2 green ones and 2 blue ones. You don't need to have 2 of each. It's just that I wanted to make a bit of a nice design. So I'm going to take my blue one and I'm going to take a red one. Now, the little pockets that we were making, this is where we're going to fold and tuck our little bits in. So I'm going to tuck my red one in there. You see that nice pattern it makes? I'm going to take my other red one and I'm going to tuck it in the opposite side. So I've got that nice symmetrical harlequin kind of design. Okay. And I'm going to take my other blue one and I'm going to tuck the red one in there and the red one in there. Excellent. It's actually really looking very close to a cube. However, I've got these open bits at the side which are no good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my green ones. I'm just going to lay it on top and I'm going to tuck the blue one in there and tuck the blue one in there. Turn it over, get my last green one, just lay it on top, tuck my blue one in there and tuck the other blue one in as well. Okay, looking good. I've just got my green bits to tuck into the red one here and here. Ooh, I've ripped that one a little bit. And the last little side, tuck that one and that one. And now you have made yourself a beautiful 3-dimensional cube out of flat pieces of paper. No scissors, no glue, no sellotape, just a bit of math origami. It would be fantastic if you were to have a go at doing some of these through the summer and bring them in September. We would love to see your shapes, especially if you've decorated it with your own patterns and designs. That would be even better. So hope you enjoyed that and hope you have lots of fun making your own cubes.